Joining me today, Vaidya Priya Balaa. She's an Ayurvedic practitioner, and for the last 20 years, she's been practicing in New Jersey. She has got bachelor's in Ayurvedic medicine and surgery. She has been integrating Ayurvedic wisdom with yoga, meditation, siddha modalities which come from the southern part of India to address ASD in children. Joining her, we have Harpinder Kaur. She is the Vice President of Komal Herbals. You are working a lot with the ASD in children.
The average age is 8 years, around 8 years of age. Yeah, we have seen over 90 children with autism who have undergone treatment in the Ayurvedic system and Varmakalai. So yeah, each of them have shown a different range of improvement.
You have formulated an herbal jam, which has been manufactured by Komal Herbals. And Harpinder Kaur, can you tell us all about it?
It was actually a very interesting collaboration between Priya and Komal Herbals, because she had been using a formulation in her practice, which was a combination of 3 herbs with Varmakalai and other modalities, and she was getting good results. So during one of the discussions, she said, can you do something, because these herbs are really bitter? So is it some way we can change it into a jam, which makes it easy for the kids to take every day? And there is no, problem of, conforming. And parents are having hard time because she prefers the herbs to be taken in the dry powder form, not to be sugar coated, because as we all know, the herbs, the first thing is the rasa, how it tastes in your mouth. And that's where the whole physiochemical changes start to happen in your body. So after a lot of deliberation and back and forth, we found a combination where we are adding good fats. The jam, so-called jam, actually doesn't have any added sugar. So it is sweet, yet without any sugar in that. So we have added healthy oils like flaxseed oil, which are good for, known for anti-inflammatory benefits. We have coconut oil, which is good source of, again, MCT oil, which is again anti-inflammatory, good for brain. And the herbs are all actually good for mental health. They have been widely studied for the effects on autism, on ADHDs, and the effect, and not only pharmacologically, but also in Ayurveda also they are called Medhya Rasayanas. So the combination that she had was very interesting and peculiar, because you will not find that, formulation in the mainstream herbal formulations. And the combination of the fats with good source of, I will call special sugars, like date is actually a very good source of allulose. And allulose actually is not something which will elevate or give you a high glycemic index. And autistic kids are very, very sensitive to sugar. So they cannot be fed anything which is has a lot of sugar in it. So fats with date syrup and some other sweeteners helped us in creating something which personally, apart from what Priya is offering to her clients in her practice, we also offer this, and we have sent so many of these pro bonos, like free of charge, to parents who said, we have also autism kid, can you do that? So they found out that yes, the kids do see some very positive changes. And interestingly, Priya, we recently also gave out these jams to menopausal women who were having issues with brain fog. And they came back and told us that even they had some very good results with the mental acuity. They were able to recall. They didn't have that forgetfulness like we normally have with menopause. So that was another side benefit we found out, that apart from autistic kids, anyone who is having issues with learning or maintaining their memory, they also have a very good result with this very simple formulation, yet very effective formulation.
Show a couple of Varmakalai points for parents who are watching the show, for caregivers as well, so they are a little bit tuned into what needs to be done.
I can show a few points on the head that can be done, because Varmakalai is a very deep science, and each of the points have to be done a certain way using certain fingers and using certain amount of
Pressure, yeah,
pressure.
and
So
duration of each on the point.
yes, the vibration method, everything is different for each of the point. So it is good to attend a workshop, and we do workshops around 2 to 3 times a year, free of cost through our Ashram Center for Wellbeing, which is a 501c nonprofit.
Can do it themselves as well, or the parent can do it for them and apply the.
Parent has to do for the children. It is not. It's not easy for the children to apply on themselves. Called Tilartha column in between the eyebrows, and the way we manipulate it is we do meditate at that point.
Yes.
All systems of meditation, Hagna meditation. This is called Tilartha column in Varmakalai. So you stand on the right side of the child and use the index finger and apply gentle pressure and lift the point and hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then gently let it go back to where it was and then remove the hand. So this is the point number 1 that we teach in the Varmakalai. There are 14 points in total that we teach the parents or caregivers, which has to be done in a certain order. The 14th point or the last one is this little antitragus, this little part of the ear, which has to be done as the ending point of any Varmakalai session. So after doing this, we just hold this with the thumb and hold it with the index finger and move it gently back and forth 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you remove your hand. So this point is indicated to balance any mistakes that we have done while activating the Varma points. So this is the last point of any Varmakalai session. There are 108 Varma points.
Yes.
And even if you're activating all of them, the last one should be this.
Well, thank you very much. This has been very insightful how we are addressing these imbalances in ASD through naturopathic cleansing and through Ayurveda and Siddha and Marma points and meditation, of course, and yoga, and through the herbal jam that has been manufactured by Komal Herbals. All this together creates a very positive impact. I am Dr. Renee. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay positive.